Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mention or tag on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. This is my TikTok and I'm going to launch this application. Okay, and if we want to turn off the mention or tag from everyone or from our friends on TikTok, we need to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. To open up the TikTok setting and privacy, we need to go to our profile and then click on this three lines on the top right, and then we can choose the settings and privacy. Okay, and you need to go to the privacy right here, and we need to scroll down until we find mentions, and here you will be able to customize mention from your friends or everyone on TikTok. Choose who can mention you in their descriptions, stickers, comments and stories, and I'm going to tap on this option. Okay, here we can choose everyone, people we follow, friends or no one. And to turn off mention or tag, we need to select no one, so no one can mention or ask or cannot tag us in their descriptions, stickers, comment and stories. They cannot mention us. Okay, select no one, so you cannot be mentioned by everyone on TikTok, even though you're friends on TikTok. And I'm going to show you the result guys. I'm gonna open up my second account on TikTok and I'm going to mention this account on my post. I'm gonna switch to my second account. Okay, wait guys. And I'm going to try to create story or a post on TikTok. I'm just going to select random photo or random video. Okay, I'm gonna select this one, click on next, and I'm going to mention my first account. Mention, and this is my first account, and as you can see I cannot mention my first account due to the privacy settings. Okay, and I'm just going to click on done. And okay guys, that's all the way to turn off mention or tag on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.